this is literally, I have this sheet. It's called a mind map sheet that I used, and I have this sheet. And when I go through the process, I ask myself these questions: Who is my customer? Who is that person that I'm going to affect? What do they want? What are they telling me they want? I want this. I ask the customer what they want. I promise you, I ask people what they want, and I ask them, and then I go watch them. What are they doing? Why do they need that? Right? And if it's a customer, I can't go watch them. I used to go fly around the world, get on customer floors, and install new products, and so that I could see how they're really handling it. I find out they're throwing my probe cards around, and that the containers are dragging them on the floor. Right? And, they put like some wheels on the container would be an easy solution. So, how are the current solutions? What are the current solutions? How are they failing? What they want? And then this map from need to want that I'm talking about, which is really comes when you look at these contradictions. So now it's example time, because I want you. We are a part of a fictitious company called HamTech. We are the technological leaders in the manufacturing of ham sandwiches, and we've got a problem on our hands. The market is going down. People are buying fewer sandwiches. The sales are decreasing of our ham sandwiches as a function of time. But we manufacture, that's our core product. Right? We're losing money. Hand over fist. And I have all of these locations. I'm going to have to start closing my locations. People will now be jobless. They won't be able to go to work. It's going to have a big impact on society. And I need you to go out and listen to your customers and find out, why do you like ham sandwiches? Or what's the problem with ham sandwiches? Now, I see that everybody devoured their ham sandwich. So there's probably not a lot of people who dislike ham sandwiches. But anyways, let's go look for customers. Oh, look, a customer. It's Jamie Foxx. Hey, Jamie, what's going on? Hi, Eric. How's the lecture going? Oh, it's going quite well, Jamie. We're eating ham sandwiches. Would you like to join us? Yeah. Sorry, dude. No sandwiches for me, Jamie says. I have specific caloric needs. My staff makes meals for me so that I can eat and maintain my fitness, right? I mean, look at his arms. This guy's a fit guy. I said, oh, man, that's a bummer, Jamie. I wish you could eat with us. I wish I could eat out with you, too, which is great, right? Jamie wants to hang out. But I never know that the food will meet my dietary needs. Restricting calories to less than 2,000 calories, kilocalories, actually. 2,000 calories per day helps me maintain my fitness. I'm not going to correct Jamie. He doesn't need to know their kilocalories and calories. There are other benefits too. Wow, Jamie, can you tell me about these other benefits? That's interesting. I haven't heard of this caloric restriction. Can you tell me about these things? Over the past 3 years, there are many publications. Jamie is a smart guy. And he says, research suggests that caloric restriction may also increase your lifespan. Therefore, not only can I look and feel great, which he does, right, I can live a long time. But Eric, one of my main problems is when I'm on the road traveling, and I'm in these movie roles, and I can't have my staff with me. Oh, tell me more. I have to bring my staff so I can maintain my diet. I wish there was a solution to allow me to eat out with you, Eric, because I think you're a cool cat, and I'd love to hang out. Great, David. I'd love to hang out with you, too. You're a very big person. And I wish I didn't have to fly my staff around the world. Do you think you can help me out here? Of course we can, Jamie. We are HamTech. Okay? We're HamTech, and that's what we do. Great. I'll see you later. Okay. And if you were paying attention very quickly, this is a very silly exercise. This is very fun and very interesting, right? But if you were paying attention, there were huge amounts of information exchanged in a very simple conversation. And all I did was say, Jamie, tell me something. Now this is very contrived. But if you have friends, go ahead, ask them a rhetorical question. Ask them anything. Do you like it? Why not? I just ask them. And you'll find out that, hey, everybody's got opinions. And guess what? They're free. Man, my wife will give opinions like this. Right? And I bet your significant other will probably do the same. Or your friends, or your colleagues, or whatever. Ask them, what do you like? What do you not like? And so now let's go back to our process. There's a process here. There's an underlying process that we're learning. And it says, who is the customer? And you fire back, Jamie Foxx. And I say, well, it's not just Jamie Foxx, but people who have custom diet needs. And Jamie Foxx is not alone, by the way. Right? I have custom diet needs. Look around. Everybody's different. You think you eat the same thing that you eat, or need the same thing that you eat? Oh, and guess what, by the way? We can go get a thing in the mail. We can spit in it, and our genomic makeup can come back and tell us what our problems are, or what our high-risk areas are. Right? I mean, everybody everybody needs help. We're all individuals, right? So, and then we observe the behavior. Well, he's telling me about hiring staff, counting calories, and he's not satisfied because he can't eat with me, and I'm bummed because I can't eat with him. And traveling has an adverse effect on his lifestyle. I hate traveling. I hate traveling, and I hate getting a plate with 1,900 calories on it. You know what I mean? But it's like, it's either that or the vegetarian option, and sometimes I'm not feeling like eating vegetarian option, right? Or the one healthy thing on the menu. That's not interesting to me, actually. Right? I think that's complete BS. That restaurant should figure me out and should solve my problem. This is the time for me, right? I can have whatever I want in this world. I can go make my own webpage. I can buy whatever I want. I can get it custom made for me, and that's what I want. And Jamie wants that too, right? So, okay, what are the current solutions? Well, you know, we can go hire nutrition staffs. We can go into a restaurant and say, oh, before I order, sir, can you please give me that cardboard piece that you have somewhere back in the kitchen so I can look at all the calories and I can figure out what's my right solution. And it's, or sir, I'm very allergic to this thing. I'm very allergic to this thing. I want to make sure that it's not an ingredient in this thing, right? Come on, this should have been solved a long time ago, right? And again, this is a contrived example. I don't know if this is real or not, but I know that the need is real. I know that the need is real because I have the same need. That's why I was able to write on it. And you know, what we need to do is we need to say what's the real need. The real need is that people want custom things for them. I want a meal for me. You want a meal for you. And based on all these things, we want to be served what's right for us.